Our short phrase and sentence for today is lekwa oji. Lekwa oji, which means here is kola nut. This is the first thing we offer to visitors that come to our abode. When we offer you kola nut, what will be your response? You say, ya gazie, which means let it go well. You might be living outside Igbo land, but wherever you are and you want to learn Igbo language, you need to know how to offer kola nut to your visitors. You might not be having physical kola nut, but whatever you have that you are offering to your visitors, learn to offer that by saying lekwa oji and ask your visitor to say ya gazie. That is Igbo language for offering kola nut. Learn it today. Practice it. Whether you give somebody a bottle of Coke or champagne, say lekwa oji as a visitor. And as you learn this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video so that we know how to serve you better. God bless you.